So the question I just got asked is, how did we attract such big companies to use our platform, BnkToTheFuture.com, and how did we get our snowball effect? And I could give you strategic answers in some of the companies, but really, I think it's more esoteric answers, and that is that we were always mission driven. We co-founded this company, Bliss Dixon and myself, based upon being inspired by the people that created Bitcoin, that were involved in Bitcoin very early, and attending and speaking at the very first Bitcoin conference in the world. Now, prior to that, we were always talking about how the traditional financial system needed to go through change, but our solutions were not as convincing until we saw Bitcoin. And when we saw Bitcoin, we looked at that as the disruption in the traditional financial system by creating the alternative. And so that mission has really led us and guided us in all we do. The people that we hire within our company are all on board that mission, and therefore we create a culture that allows us to succeed. The customers that join and invest through our platform are on board that mission, and therefore they're looking to support the industry. And so when we go and approach companies that are looking to support the industry too, our values are aligned, we offered value to them, and it was hard to secure investment back in those days as well. And from taking a few actions, taking a few risks, and always focusing on, we started in 2010, and it took years in order to secure all the licenses and with different companies, or get the registrations that we needed. And we iterated many different models, but we always focused one eye on compliance and the other eye on innovation. And getting that balance right was very challenging. Because we solved people's problems, people used us. And then we built a reputation because we were on the same page and we were looking to support the industry. And we're here for the long term, and we still continue to do lots of innovation. We're now looking at launching the secondary market for equity in some of the biggest Bitcoin and blockchain companies. And in 2017, we made sure we adjusted to the potential disruption in the token market. And in 2019 and beyond, we're looking to disrupt ourselves by looking at how we would rebuild this platform if we were starting from scratch. So it's a mission that's driven us to always think long term and make sure that we're doing the compliance-driven things that are going to allow us to stay here, but also mixing that with the mission and the vision of what this industry is trying to achieve and staying real to that vision.